Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at doing a belly pan on this A380. This is probably the most easiest way that I know of to do a belly pan. I've seen several different ways people have done them, surface modeling and everything, but the surfacing modeling can be a little difficult. And we'll go ahead and do it like this. But like I said, when I seen some people surface modeling these, I mean something like, let's say, I will go ahead and create a sketch on this plane here. And say the shape of this belly pan. Just use this here. Draw a line in the center here. Then I'm going to go ahead and mirror this line. Okay, now we have that there. Can delete this center. Finish sketch. And I'm going to do an offset plane. Turn those construction planes back on. I can find it here really quick, which is this one, I believe. And turn the sketches back on so we can see that. Okay, now do offset of this plane here. Move this back to here. Then create a sketch on this plane here. And I'm going to project stuff onto that plane. And finish sketch. Now we have that there. I've seen some people then do a surface loft. Stuff like that. Then go ahead and click OK here. And then what you do from here, let's go ahead and do let's say another plane. Another offset plane. From here. I'll just put that there, click OK. Then create a sketch on this plane here. And turn those back on. Now what I'm going to do is project this onto that plane and click OK. Then I'm going to use a offset and offset these two. Go ahead and finish this sketch. And again, do another surface loft. Oops, sorry. Loft. Erase this. I want to start back here. Now we have that. Okay. And click OK. Like I said, I've seen people do belly pans like this also. And then again, you would do another plane up here, then do an offset and to make this go up. As you can see, it's already round like that. And I believe, yes, right here between these two, we have a G1. To give it that roundness right up through here that we need. So this has to be that G1. And as you can see, that looks pretty good. Okay, but we're not going to do it like that. Turn those off. Get back to the aircraft itself. Okay, now this is the belly pan here that I've done already for this. I turn that off. And this is what we have. And turn the canvases back on. Okay. Now, this is the beginning of the belly pan, and the belly pan goes all the way to the back here. So you need to, insert an offset plane. Like there's one here already. So you just come up here to construct and insert an offset plane. And then you can select any of the planes going the direction that you need it and put that in there. Okay, but we have our plane there already. So now I'm going to change to create form. And I want to create it on this plane here. And now turn this around to the front. And on that plane, I'm going to use a square, or excuse me, a box. And it didn't select the plane just yet, so I'll turn this back around to the side to make sure I get it on the correct plane. And this is the one I want. And imagine center point somewhere about right here of this box. Then I'm going to pull this back. Give it some height faces. Then click OK. And I'm going to delete these. I delete these because it's just easier to work with for me. You don't have to delete them if you do not want to. And the ones in the back as well. And as you can see, this belly pan's almost done just from that. And just move this up. Same thing here. Like I said, there's many ways of doing belly pans, but to me, this seems like the easiest and really not a lot of work to do. So now take this line here and the other side. And look at this from the top. If you're new to the channel here, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to select these. And the same on the other side. Let's see what we have now. Turn off the canvases here. Okay. And this is the belly pan so far. And all we have to do is bring it in some more. So I'll just go back. And do the same thing for the back. Make sure I get the right one. And I'm just bringing this in so it's inside this circle here. And I'll turn off the canvases again. Okay. And this is our belly pan so far. And it's just that simple to do. And what you do is just keep playing around with the shape till you get it exactly how you like it. But this is pretty much it for this. Turn the canvases back on. Okay, I would just pull the top out here, the front up here just a little more. And the back here, I would push it in just a little more. And that's pretty much it for that belly pan. Yeah. So it's just that simple. And like I said, this is probably the easiest way to me, I think this is the easiest way to do a belly pan. It didn't take long, and we were pretty much finished with it right along after I just put the box there. Turn off the lines and turn off the construction planes here. Like I said, again, there are many ways of doing this, but I still believe this is the easiest way of doing this. Like I started to show you guys how to do this by surface modeling earlier, but to me that takes a long time to put all the construction planes in here and then sketching and projecting each one of those shapes onto each one of these planes, and then making sure they're I believe it's G1 connectivity, and to get everything right there. So, and this is very, very easy to do. But anyway, so that's going to do it for this video. And if you want to learn how to model this A380, just watch my video on learning Fusion 360, and I'll show you how to model this. And not much more to do to it, and it looks pretty good. So yeah, but anyway, once again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look over there. Some nice people. And on my Patreon site, I can help you a lot more over there. So yeah. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And you guys have a great weekend, and we'll catch you in the next one.